Hello, this is Plavon Rai. Currently, I am a student of Yarn Engineering at Pabna Textile Engineering College. Today, I want to share something significant I have done in my life. First one is I work as a volunteer for Goody Foundation. Goody Foundation is an organization which helps the poor student to continue their study purpose and also motivate them. The main motto of Goti Foundation is education for everyone. By working that organization, it has increased my mental peace and satisfaction. I cherished with joy when I was the children smile in their face when they get new books and etc. So I delighted to be a part of a Goody Foundation. The second one is Cielo 3D. It's all about making pattern, fitting cloth in avatar, visualizing it and making animation. Rendering it and showing it to buyer. It is the collaboration of fashion sector and textile industry. Thank you everyone for watching me.